A lot of people talk about seller carry and subject to like they're the same thing, but they're really two very different ways of financing. With a sub two, typically what we do is just take over the payments. Most of the time, there's not any cash going to the seller. Or if there is, we give it to them at that time. We don't try to string it out or finance it or carry it over a long period of time or anything like that. So the transaction is pretty much complete when we close on the purchase side. Now with seller financing, that can be a lot different. They talk about hybrid deals where maybe the house is worth 300,000 and the seller owes 200 and they feel like they have $100,000 in equity. And in those cases, we're going to make an agreement with the seller usually to give them their equity when our buyer refinances. But most of the time, a real seller carry deal is going to be on a free and clear house or a house that you sell, that the seller sells to you on a wrap where you actually make your payments to the seller. So is subject to a seller carry transaction? Well, I guess, sometimes it could be a hybrid sort of deal, but most of the times they're two very different things. Subject to is taking over payments, and seller finance is where the seller actually finances the purchase for you and you make your payments directly to the seller.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.